okay, why are you working on YouTube? There is no uses of working on YouTube.
Sometimes it's not only about growing your channel, because this is a kind of niche where you are working on yourself. You are improving your communication skills by having conversation with different people. So somewhere you are getting something. You cannot say that I am not getting anything. Someone is trying to pull you down and someone is trying to say negative thing about you, because they can't do what you are doing right now. And that's why they feel like, why are you doing? We can't. So, as you know, my name is Akanksha. I am basically from Uttarakhand, currently residing in Delhi. I have done my graduation in Bachelor of Science, pursuing Masters in English from IGNOU. And I am a homemaker and I have a baby as well. And I am running a YouTube channel where I post videos about how I learn English, my experiences of learning English language, and conversational video, and simultaneously improving my English communication skills. That's all about myself.
That is great. And two things I have noticed from your side. Your name is also Akanksha, and my name is also name is Akanksha. And
Yes.
you live in Delhi. I also used to live in Delhi, but recently I moved from there. I came here, Noida,
Oh,
months ago. It means 1 month ago. I came here, but couple of years I lived there in Delhi. Introduce myself a little bit if you want.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this is Akanksha. I'm calling from Noida, and recently I have joined for school as a teacher, and along with that, I have also YouTube channel where I post English conversation videos and shorts related English. And I'm an English learner, and through my channel, I learned lots of things about English. And yeah, my qualification is post graduation. Yeah, that is all
Okay,
about me.
that's a quite introduction. And actually, I want to ask you that you are a teacher, so which subject do you teach?
I teach especially English, and I applied for English language, English spoken, and English grammar. I applied for this subject, this language, but they selected for me as a SST for SST
Oh,
maths, not a maths. I don't teach 10th level math, but I teach 8th standard, 7th standard, 6th standard, SST, English literature, grammar.
okay.
Yeah, sometimes Hindi also. These subject I teach, and yeah,
That's amazing. And subject have you done your master's?
I have done master in political science. Although I have no interest in this subject in political science. However, I have selected this subject because I wanted to. That moment I had interest in political science. That is why I selected for my subject. But in this time, I don't have interest in this subject. Even I don't want to teach. However, as a teacher, I have to teach political, it means civics and geography, history as a teacher. So somehow I have to revise everything. It means um, I teach my daughter. That is why there is no problem. I can teach, and these things I can teach as a political science student. I have knowledge about politics and civics, geography, history. These things I have already studied in my college. So that is why being a teacher, I can teach easily. There's no problem. And if I talk about English language, English subject, grammar has been very good for me since my childhood. I was very good at in English grammar when I was child. When I was in English, when I was in school, that moment my teacher used to appreciate me a lot when I gave lots of answer in my class. So that is the reason I was very good at in English grammar since my childhood, I would say. And in this time, still I have interest in this language. That is why I'm learning.
That's amazing. So you have been good at grammar since your childhood, and now you are
Yes.
improving. You are trying to improve spoken English. So how long have you been learning this? Trying to improve. We should listen to them, but we should not do what they want us to do. We should do what we want to do.
Yeah, if I talk about speaking, then speaking uh, as a I have a knowledge about English grammar. However, my spoken English was not that much good when I started my channel. That moment, my fluency was not that much good. However, I started my channel just because of I wanted to share my knowledge through my channel, whatever I had knowledge about English, English grammar, because that moment I wanted to learn something new from my channel from YouTube, and I wanted to share my knowledge through my channel. So that is kind of things I wanted to do. That is why without thinking I started my channel, and then I started posting shorts video regarding English, whatever I had knowledge, just started posting. But somehow my channel did not work that moment. In this still, my channel is not that much working, but I'm working because of I want to enhance my language. That's why I'm working on my channel. So
That
I don't expect views. I don't think a lot about my channel is not growing or growing. Just I don't think, I ignore. I used to think a lot when I started my channel, when I did not gain lots of views. That moment, obviously, sometimes if you give your 100%, if you don't take result, if you don't see any result, then definitely you feel disappointment. So that is the thing. I also felt the same things, uh, same feelings, but. Later, I felt okay, there is no uses for worrying about my channel. If you are learner and if you want to enhance your communication, then later and sooner you will be good speaker. Once you start speaking on your channel, once you communicate with the different people on your channel, that is the things I made myself. Okay, no need to worry about my channel, whether I get good views or not. But once I start speaking good speaking, then people will appreciate me later and sooner. There is no doubt. So that is why I'm working on my communication. I don't think about views and all these days.
That's a great inspiration for so many people because sometimes it's not only about growing your channel because this is a kind of niche where you are working on yourself. You are improving your communication skills by having conversation with different people. So somewhere you are getting something. You cannot say that I am not getting anything from YouTube. You are improving your communication skills. You are improving your English. So I think that is a very good point, which I also feel like. So it's been so long since I started my YouTube channel, although I was not regular, consistent with it, but I have like started having conversation since 1 month. So, but I also sometimes feel like if I will not get anything from it, at least I am improving communication skills and English. So yes, I that's how I feel like at least I am getting something. It is not like I am wasting my time. I am learning something.
Of course. Yeah. Because some people think like this, creating your channel and giving our time for making thumbnail and editing videos, these kind of things take our time. So some people comment, okay, why are you working on YouTube? There is no uses of working on YouTube. But I feel hard work never waste, right? Once you
Definitely.
do your hard work, then later and sooner it will work and it will give you result as well. No matter you will be able to earn money or not, I have no idea from YouTube, but you can get your fluency. Through your fluency you can get lot of job, you can get whatever you want to do, you can do. So how it will possible? Through our channel. Otherwise, if I had not created our channel, then definitely we will not be able to speak in this time, right? So this is the things
Def
we should try to think wherever we are working and whatever we are trying to do for our language, definitely it will work. So
Definitely,
that is the
definitely.
thing. That is the in this time. How did I get my job because of my English language? That is the main plus point. That's why I got my job, right, in a teaching line. Otherwise, if I talk about my knowledge, like math, another subject, if I talk about, then I forgot a lot of things because it's been long time. I did not touch, uh, but I teach my children daily basis. So that is the things. Always I
Yes,
continue with the subject. So that is the thing, and along with the English language, main thing is English language because I have been student of Hindi medium school. So in this time syllabus and earlier when I was child, that moment syllabus was huge different. I can see because
yes.
I cannot teach in English medium school in this time if I had not worked in a language, English language. I couldn't teach,
Definitely.
right? In this time I can teach in English medium school, despite being a Hindi medium school student. However, I can teach. It means I have worked a lot. I have worked on my communication skills. I have worked on my grammar. So this is the thing. It means my hard work somewhere it's working, right?
Yes, yes, totally. If you are if you are like making efforts to do something, you are never going to regret that thing because like if you
Of course.
are suppose you are trying to make content on YouTube related English language, and you are suppose that your channel is not growing that much right now, but maybe in the future, as you will be consistent with it, you will upload
Yeah.
regularly. Somewhere someone definitely find your channel valuable, and they will definitely feel like you are creating valuable content. They will definitely get some inspiration from you because maybe there are some people who feel like they are not going to learn this language, and maybe they will feel after watching your video they will feel like, okay, I we can learn this language. So you never know who is going to get inspiration from your videos or from your journey, right? So I think we should not focus too much on negative things, like as you said that some people says that why are you wasting your time on YouTube, and I think it is just the best thing is to avoid those noises around us. Like if someone is because I personally this what I believe is that if someone is trying to pull you down and someone is trying to say negative thing about you because they can't do what you are doing right now, and that's why they feel like why are you doing, we can't do it, why are you doing, so that's why they try to pull you back so that you don't do it. So I think you should just ignore those people, and you should have some positive self talk with yourself, that and just don't hold yourself just because these nasty comments, I would say.
Yeah, of course. Well said. Well said. Because these things I have also come across with so many people around me who commented, who suggested me, why are you doing such kind of work? Because you have already family and you should give your time for your family, for your personal life. But every women do the same things, cooking, cleaning, and daily household work. So what is the difference between, right? Why did we come here in this world without doing any kind of informative things for ourselves, for our interest, for our career, right? So this is the things I always keep thinking in my mind, and I don't listen them just one. I listen them, but I don't work. Whatever they say, I don't work towards your sentence. No, because I know what is the good for me, what is bad for me, and what should I do for myself, for my career. So there's just so many toxic people around us, and there's so many negative people who around us who give you lots of suggestions. But we should try to think what is the good for us, and we should try to difference between what is the wrong for us, what is good for us, because we are capable to rectify our good thing and bad thing. So we can do. So according to their comment, we should try to first choose our interest. What is our interest? What is our happiness, real happiness? Then we should try to do. But there's so many good people around us also who motivate us and who always appreciate our work. Okay, if you are doing, then definitely it will work, and they always give you positive energy. So this is the
Yes.
thing, we should try to select those people and try to spend our time so we can get positive vibes, positive things from them. Right?
I think we should avoid these negative people as much as we can. Like okay, we cannot completely avoid them because somewhere they are also a part of our life. So we cannot completely
Yes.
avoid, right? But at least what I personally feel like we should listen to them, but we should not do what they want us to do. We should do what we want to do, right? What is good for ourselves, we should focus on that, and we should stop taking their suggestions seriously, to be honest. Like pretend they're in there like you are listening to them, but just don't focus too much. This is what I feel. Yes.
Okay, Akansha, this was very good conversation with you. I enjoyed thoroughly this conversation. I never thought I will come across with you and such a good lady. And today, because today, just a few minutes ago, I came from my school and then I sat on my bed. Then I saw your message. Then I got happy. Okay, today I have chance I can connect with some different lady. And to be honest, I enjoyed this session and I hope I will connect with you